Hey guys, so MrRAYtheteacher here. Just gonna teach you about technology and some stuff. Been playing around with this Z Fold 2 5G by Samsung. I'm gonna skip the unboxing bit because there's tons of tech bloggers who put that stuff up. So here is one a little bit different because I am using the Microsoft launcher on it. So for Windows Phone fans, it's probably the closest we're gonna get. So just show here, bang, I'll bring up Chugabee. So there we go, got the live wallpaper, and I've got a reminder. It's really good. It's kind of like iPhone, you can just swipe them away. And yeah, that's coming from iPhone user, but yeah, need to get out of that ecosystem. Now, one thing I noticed really hard to find with it, finding covers. Hinge, I'll skip that, but I've got, yeah, the default one here, Samsung one with the stand, and then I've got a plastic one on top of it. And yeah, it's a live wallpaper. Hey Pikachu, I'm on the right or the left, bottom. See, look there. Anyway, it's pretty cool. You can unlock with the thumbprint reader there. There you go, using the open screen there, the outside screen. Yep, usual stuff. Now, probably the bit that would probably fascinate most of you, or what you'd be curious on, is how it can open up. So, can split it like that. Got to be really careful. You're not gonna want to scratch it because you could accidentally go like that. Use your hand. See you later. So anyway, here it is. Open it up using the Windows theme here, the Microsoft launcher, I mean. So there, boom. There you go. Can be a little buggy. Still waiting. There, fixed it up. Now, back on track. So that is the menus down thing there. Here's what it is, standard tablet. Because I'm using the launcher, you got your photos, go up and down, all your notes and all the stuff there. Go back into the main page, swipe like that, and swipey around and around. So maybe you want to go that. Now, that's one thing that can be annoying, and you've just seen me there. These little dots, but they can also be pretty helpful. They can give me little reminders and like what apps I'm using and what to do. Just have to press it out. See you later. Make a YouTube video doing it. You can do your chats here. So there's my mom. My mom loves me. And yeah, some additional apps here. The apps went pretty well. I like this widget here, Outlook one. I can always add new entry stuff and like need to do that. Pretty good. One little issue I have though is when it flips around, sometimes it doesn't play friendly because of the aspect ratio. So look at this picture, it looks nice here. Look at the top of the water there. If I flip it to its side, so let me just lift it, turn around. Oh no, go away Google, you're annoying. Look on the top there, you can probably see a line there. That's not a crease on the screen, that's just because of the aspect ratio. Still pretty cool. Again, the Microsoft launcher allows me to do this. And yeah, it's standard stuff. You want to bring up all the apps. Still getting used to it. You know what? I don't even care. Whatever. I can't even do it. Meh. Alrighty. So, still putting it down. See, that's where we have issues. When it decides not to turn, and that can be annoying, especially when you've paid $3K for something. Look at that, buggy. So I fixed it up, pulled it out. Also another thing, if you're paying a lot of money for an app or for a phone, when you've got apps just aren't really supported properly. So for example, when you're using Instagram, sometimes you'll get the odd bars. The apps itself open fine, so I'll just show you Instagram here. So that's my teacher account, they open fine. But when you're looking at other things, Commander-in-Chief, when you're looking at other things, a little bit weird, those dots also. But there you go, you can see stuff, they open up just fine. There you go. Let's learn about some supply and demand economics. So moving on, 3K for this Australian dollar. That's the recommended retail price. Is it worth it? Probably not. See, you probably haven't noticed the hinge. Looking closer, no, not there really. When you can notice it probably is, you feel it, maybe you can kind of feel it, but not really. More often than not, you're being really careful because sometimes when you're swiping, like, it's got to be really careful. There you go. Finally bring the app menu up. Looking really close here. A simple mistake like that, and see you later. That phone screen is gone. Capiche. Repair job, a few $100s. I'm scared to ask, but I think the general clientele for this phone wouldn't even mind. Outlook works well. I can always do stuff like, hey Google, what's the weather today gonna be? No dramas, thanks. Just some pet peeves and random things I've picked up, especially coming from iPhone. Need to get out of it, but also just comparing to other things that I have, other apps that I've used. Hold up. So I'll bring it through here. So let's see what I've got. Just got a list here that I have made. Oh, let's see what I've got. Differences between, so just open it here. Quickly run through this list. So for example, face unlock ID, iPhone just went, I've written it down here. Android setup was horrendous and arduous, not as intuitive, but I'm sure that if I do it the second time, I should be sweet. Another one is Face ID isn't as abundant on Android as iPhone, so sometimes I would use Touch ID. That's a bit annoying. Aspect ratio for wallpaper has been through that. Launches are fantastic. I still miss the old Windows Phone, but I guess it's the best way. Battery life needs severe tinkering to make you optimize. And once optimized, it's not so bad. Siri just works better compared to using Google. So yeah, I don't have to say too many commands. Windows, get Cortana going. So yes, I am using bleeding edge technology, Windows, Mr. Microsoft, get Cortana or something, because Google's not too friendly with Outlook. Widgets are cool, but yeah, I still miss the old Windows Phone. Thank God for the live photo option. Cloud backup is relatively seamless. Ability to access torch from lock screen, that needs to be improved. The iPhone just does it so much better. This one, you have to kind of go like this. Then you have to go like this. And then you press. It's pretty annoying. I just want to be, there's probably a widget that's out there, but I don't want to like give my data to some random dude. Mirrorcast 7020p, a little horrible, but it's better than being forced to buy an Apple TV. The kill all apps option is something that iPhone desperately needs. So just go like that, bang, hit that, kill everything. iPhone needs that. Back to where we were. So yeah, also with the whole latency, that's a technology thing, but latency regarding Mirrorcast, not the best. USB-C and wireless charging never hurts, so it's always awesome. Also, it's got to sort out the Instagram issues, because yeah, those bars, and even when you play around screen, so if I close up the phone, so you only have half the phone, I'm going to be videoing at that, so I can see everything, but you will get this bit cropped out, and this bit, basically the top and the bottom cropped out. With the wide one, if I go like this, it's just going to look odd on your phone, or your stuff is going to look odd on mine. Screen mirroring, lack of auto scale, or maybe that's just something I have to work out on my TV. Dex is pretty neat, but restarting apps to resize is so annoying. Again, Windows and Microsoft did it so much better with the Continuum, I think it's called. Good try. Edge and rotating watching videos. This thing just wigs out. Using Google Chrome, no issues. So it must be Google not being friendly. And consistency, so it's upload to Insta after downloading from the cloud. On iPhone, it was pretty simple. I've got my photos saved to OneDrive, or my image saved to OneDrive. After that, oh, that was my mom. After that, basically, just download it through, can upload it onto my Instagram. No dramas here. You have to select the folder. If it's on the wrong folder, it won't show up. A bit arduous, but yeah, that's about it. Oh, games are awesome. So here, Mario Kart. Yeah. Oh, and one thing I really noticed is the pictures on Instagram, if they get lower quality, you super notice it on this big screen. But yeah, Mario Kart's usually pretty sick. He's a good man. My Beats hooked up through Bluetooth, always works. No dramas there. Oh, getting some prizes. And yeah, so Mario Kart's usually fine. See, that's the bars you kind of get. No dramas there per se. And yeah, just go check your ranking, and I'll just quickly run through what's a good stage that I like. I know this one here works out fine. Use Yoshi, because I like Yoshi. Funny car, funny thing like that. Oh, it ends up being Mario. See, there you go. Weird things that, I don't know, when you get used to the screen. I swear I picked Yoshi, but feel free to pause and check the video. Either way, it's pretty swell. I'm just going to get out of there. And yeah, so that is my quick review on it. Regarding the bugs on Launcher, Microsoft Launcher, a bunch, but not too many. So sometimes I've got my icons just disappear. Another complaint, Samsung, my downloads folder, the music sometimes just randomly gets deleted. If I saved it on the music folder, I've saved it on the downloads and left it there, no dramas, but my alarms sometimes go missing, so I have to re-download them from the cloud. I know maybe there's a setting somewhere buried. That though, with the whole buried thing, the whole settings and flexibility, totally dig it. So yeah, it is Android. Look, you can hate all you want if you're an iPhone thing. It's the common theme, the common motif, the most common things that everyone says. Basically, if you like Android, it's for the customizability. But yeah, it can be a little bit messy, a little bit buggy. But if you like, for example, Apple, iPod, iPhone, iMac, everything, I, just because it works. You don't have to worry about this stuff. So that is what it is. Really quick view. I'm just gonna close my phone. See, and even that, if I scratch that wrongly, bang, screen gone. So you gotta baby this bad boy, otherwise you'll be done. Okay, or something. There we go. Flick that out, flick that out, flick that out. No, I don't think I can. Got a random Pokemon here. Double tap. Nope, won't go away. I want Pikachu back, and he can send us off to see you and having a bright future. So you double tap here, boom, boom. Double tap one more time. Get Eevee, and one more. It's Pikachu. Anyway, so that's it. That's what it's like to use. It's pretty cool. The weather will be bright and sunny, just like your future if you keep studying. So I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye now.